Assalamu alaikum everyone. Apologies for not being able to upload last week's videos. I hope that gave you a chance to catch up. We're mashallah nearing the end of Surah Yaseen. We'll only have one more video and we'll finish it inshallah in the next video. And I hope you've been finding this method quite useful. Thank you for leaving me your positive comments and letting me know how helpful you've been finding this. Keep us in your prayers inshallah. And if you are new to the channel, I do recommend you watch playlist 1 before joining us from this video. I hope this benefits you and jazakallah khair.
أولم يرى الإنسان أنا خلقناه من نطفة. I think there is a natural pause there. So أولم يرى الإنسان. So do they not يرى wait إنسان human يرى wait يرى is that no, it's not seeing. It is
Yeah.
Oh okay. I was like okay. So do they not see الإنسان, like the human, and that we indeed have created خلقناه from نطفة. Wait a minute, there was نطفة. Oh, there's so many steps there. نطفة is the no, it's not the clinging claw, it's the drop, the sperm drop.
Exactly. Good.
Yeah.
I'm glad, like, it's nice to see you remembering, like, that not only what the meaning is, but how it was used in a different verse as well. So
subhanallah.
Yeah, alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. فإذا, so when, هو, he or it, it must be the human or it. So when he,
not when, it doesn't have to, that can also be then.
Okay, then, okay.
Yeah.
So then he خصيم مبين. So then he something clear خصيم خصيمة.
Yeah. So خصيم means an enemy or someone who challenges someone. So khisam, for example, means debating or arguing.
Okay.
Someone who just keeps arguing and arguing.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's just these next few verses are like my favorite passage, one of my favorite passages ever. One second now, I know you wanted to say something. So it's like the meaning of this verse, it means that don't human beings see that we made them from a little like sperm drop, and after that he becomes like an open challenger, an open opponent, or an open arguer, like as in he forgets that he was created from this little something that's not very like significant, or
okay.
Sorry, Elle, what were you saying?
I was just gonna ask with like khasimun, because I think there's like yakhisimun somewhere. Was it something that we passed before?
Yeah, I think we did yakhisimun somewhere. Maybe it was Surah Yaseen. So yeah, they must have been arguing over something.
Okay.
Yeah. Then Hiba.
وضرب لنا مثلا ونسي خلقه قال من يحيي العظام وهي رميم. So وضرب لنا, strike for them مثلا, an example.
So that would be وَضْرِبْ لَنَا or that would be وَضْرِبْ لَهُم. That would be the command. So
okay,
this is
right?
Form of a verb like ضَرَبَ, which, can you remember what the simplest basic form is?
Like it's like he does something.
Or he did, so past.
Okay. Yeah. So would that then become so he argues with us?
Darab meaning setting forth, or darab means to hit, but when it comes like usually with mathal, it means that they set an example or forth.
Yeah. So set forth an example when nasiya khalqah, and forgot khalqah, that they were created. Qala, saying, may yuhyi al-'idham, who created us? Who created the bones? Who gave life to the bones?
Or who will give life?
Okay.
Yeah, Ramim.
What's Ramim?
We haven't done it before, but it means like decaying or dead here.
Okay, so who gave life to dead bones, or bones that were dead?
Or who will give life. So basically this verse is, and he sets forth for us, lana, for us, an example, matala, وَنَسِيَ خَلْقَهُ, and he forgets his own creation. And then says, who will give life, مَنْ يُحْيِي, the bones when they are decomposed or decayed. So it's going with the previous verse, which is, like, then he becomes an open arguer, and then he sets forth for us examples. You know how like lots of people like challenge God by setting examples for him, but also arguing about his essence and, oh, how can he do this, or, oh, if there's a God, what about this, what about, so it's like they're setting examples, they're trying to make sense of God by comparing him to something that they know, but then they forget their own creation. And yeah, okay, Awa, your turn.
ليحييها الذي أنشأها أول مرة وهو بكل خلق عليم. Say, يحييها. So basically say, will give the one who created them, like who created the bones the first time, will also give them life. And he is over everything powerful.
This verse that is such a powerful response as well, that tell them that he who created them in the first place can give life to it again. And it again like takes us back to this first verse that humans are not created from something super significant. It's a sperm drop. If God can make a whole human out of a sperm and an egg, then yeah, he can give life to the dead as well. It's not that hard to believe. And then he is over all things, over all creation, knowledgeable. Okay.
Marra. What does marra mean?
Marra means time, or marra is like an occurrence, or like once. Marra is once, and marratain would be twice. So it's like 2 times, 1 time. Marra wahid, 1 time.
Okay.
So that's it for this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. Let me know how you found the lesson, and if you've got any questions, also share with your friends and family so that they can also benefit. And remember us in your prayers. Keep revising. Assalamu alaikum.